2020, then it's line of pleasure. This track making 2025. But it's about some stories that happened a couple of years back. Just listen to the numbers, man. We're through that. No matter how stressed you at, man, I ain't bragging.
Sammy.
2024, yeah. Really gonna sky me throwing 3 threes. I've been living on the farm, must appreciate what I got. Indies on the way. I got the month of love. She look good when she broke like a bank teller. I ain't saying I ain't dumb, nah. I smoke the mother love. My honesty a killer. Like how you pout your lips when you're mad. 2012 2 weeks, 9s and 13. Should've been honest. And hitting 14, yeah. Tonight my first peep. At least it's what I thought from what she said. First month of 15. I thought I had my first son. Now he on, yeah, 21. Believe me, niggas thought I so sus. Way I poet, that's so sus. None of my kids know they pappy. Dub got a road, a cat sound like wow, wow, wow. On the low, the mama seem like they ain't mine.
That's when I wish I was a Jew.
On a 1705.
Am I too gullible? Dog kill was cutting.
No, my number's crazy. You ain't touch my baby. 21, she thinks she hitting 21. 22, she 18. Talk thin line of pleasure, baby. But the episode was Jeremiah. Sing I ain't do, I ain't sing I ain't do. I smoke them out the love. Though around you, my heart to see. Baby's been a while. Guess I ultra bacala. Though around you, my heart to see. Baby's been a while. Guess I ultra bacala. Would you put your trust on my word? What the episode was Jeremiah. Though around you, my heart to see. What the episode was Jeremiah. Though around you, my heart to see. I don't think I'm shallow for some words, but how do I approach a girl with my history? Would you put your trust on my word? A stranger with no mystery. I think I got it bad. When the tables get turned, the past might not wanna be history. Teresa, I got burned. My heart might be crispy.